Hi guys, in this video I have two types of succulents that I would be propagating from stem cuttings. This is my preferred way of propagation and have had great success with this method. It's quick and easy and it's helped me spread my plants and grow my collection for free. Prepare a well-draining potting mix. Here I'm using cactus potting mix, bonsai jack, and perlite. Obtain some stem cuttings. This is a Crassula plant. Let the stems dry for a day or two and away from direct sunlight, and then stick them in the soil. Keep in a bright location but away from direct sunlight, and water every week or when the soil feels dry. And that's it, that's all you need to do. I'll be back to show you how these cuttings are doing in a few weeks. So it's been about 5 weeks. Let's check the progress of these cuttings. I'll be pulling some stems out carefully to check for roots. Can you guys see the white roots growing? Let me pull another one to see. And yes, there you go. So as you can see, these stem cuttings have rooted. It's really that simple and easy. Here I'm using Sedum stem cuttings and will be using the same steps as I did before. And if I have any fallen leaves, I just like to stick them in the pot because why not? So keep them in a bright location but away from direct sunlight, and water every week or when the soil feels dry. I'll be back to show you how these cuttings are doing in a few weeks. So it's been about 4 weeks. Let's pull some of these stems out, see how they're doing. So if you don't see progress, sometimes they just need more time, so just stick them back in the soil and give it more time. How long it takes to root could vary depending on the type of plant you're using and the environment you live in and the time of the year. Thanks so much for watching my stem propagation video. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below.